How to connect your Roblox account to Bloxlink. Search for Bloxlink in the web and you will see this website. You can either tap your username or sign in your Discord to connect. At the Discord, try to verify your Bloxlink through your account. You have two ways to verify. Tap on your desired. In the in-game verification, Bloxlink will provide a link to a specific Roblox game. Click Open Verification Game and join the game in Roblox. Once in the game, you'll likely see a prompt asking to confirm your account. Click Yes if it's you. Head back to the Bloxlink website and it should confirm successful verification. In the in-code verification, Bloxlink will give you a unique code. You'll need to copy this code and paste it into your Roblox profile's About section. Once you have done that, go back to Bloxlink and confirm that you've added the code. Bloxlink will check your Roblox profile for the code. Follow any final prompts to confirm the verification. Once completed, your Roblox account should be linked to your Discord account via Bloxlink. If you go back to the Discord server and type or verify again, you should see your updated roles and nickname.